get the road work. Communicate.
If you exercise, watch happy also. On our weekend.
No, we don't happen no maka. Oji ego. We are go keep this. Ahụrụ m nne gị na. Na me I need na sit down for chair. I be ma sit down. I don't like. I like sitting on the floor. I don't know why. I'm listening to music. Patampen.
Around tomorrow, Aroge, Gago, because that movement, your body system likes it, no stress. The body system. Who get tired?
When I'm see. Nikki, this game.
Accident when Ogam Berofo and said, I work this is about good days and hands on that first time. Sometimes never did as a number. So that I maybe so much to the person and talk to myself.
They talk about your face.
Ta.
Like the teacher,
Rebecca, you be fool. When I'm drinking, when I'm drinking. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. How is the quarantine treating you guys? Like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Nara go mom. Yes, I finally fucked.
That's something to do with me. Take a
Big my breast is getting bigger. My breast is getting big. I have a big boobs. You know, I want fat only for bum bum and for breast. As the may God give me, may my breast come there like this. See, the only part of my body that I don't really like is my breast because it has form. But people they tell me say it's fine. The only thing is that my breasts are full. I'm not regretting that it's full because na pikin suck am now. You go stand before. The breast no kukuma even kukuma to stand. Sorry, I'm listening to music. Let me off this music. So let's concentrate. So it's been a sweet open, like they gave me freedom. I wanted to put the camera so the as in bar live so the this thing ebe my boyfriend will not see it. As if my boyfriend know that I'm going to do it. You know, say this guy you know, say this guy, so this guy, like this guy, he noticed that I wanted to put it live. You people will not be seeing, you people will only be hearing our sound. You understand? People will just pepperly, as in. So I was fucking. Oh God, when I'm not quiet. God, then nah, it be like I go the way to. After 1 month, I go fuck again because it be like say that one it is sweet die. I will nah God. Hey, that's my bro. You people don't know how. If you're a woman and you're watching me, I've not come. Sorry, you will not understand my feelings. But even when I'm walking on, you know, I would not take I'm out there. I think you get to the way you go fuck. You will not take like this. Oh! As in a new steady. Woman now. In a new steady on to say you they come. But when they come, they come. Okay, you people know what I'm saying. You will be like, get not you to ta. You go see say man foolish for girl. My fellow men, no. I say my fellow men. Men no worry. Men no worry. I know what they do that guy. Now the toto. You get toto. Forget every toto no be the same thing. Forget. I understand, but not be say because I tell you go cheat on your own wife. You get toto where be say you go fuck. You get the way you go for. To just know. As in, you go the pursue to you. Internet no chera. Very much on a juice. I'm saying, "Come zoya, metal life man moya." Only ekun. Yes. Toto day. Na so this one do me. No, just fucking. I was just shouting, baby. Now you want to know what I'm saying? Baby, just kill me with fuck. Mama. It was like, you have to be fair. As if people have not seen anything yet. Like, I'm excited. I'm so happy. You people don't know my joy. I want to share my joy with you guys. Yes, before I wanted to start freaking talk with Pandora yesterday night, but actually Nepa did not bring lights. People should sorry. I didn't make quite an introduction. I wanted to, but it was not really the network. I don't have gen now. I don't have money to buy gen. I want to back out of this compound. I'm even tired. I have money to buy gen. So I cannot do that freaking night now. We miss that freaking night. I just pray next Friday we will do the freaking night with Pandora. It will be exciting though, very sweet. Okay. I promise that this life I'm going to tell you one truth that nobody in this world know about me. Like I'll be revealing my truth every day by day. Yes, I have many secrets. Ask my mom, ask anybody that knows me. No, my mom would not even tell you this is my daughter or this is what my daughter can do, because me, I keep to myself so much. So one is I lie a lot. You know, when I was small, I can lie when I was small. Ask my mommy twin sister self. I would dance, so no worry. Ask my mommy twin sister. Ask them. Ask my mom's sister will tell you, because she would like to even talk that one. You can lie. I lie a lot. That's why anytime I want to, I keep to myself now. It's even now that I'm free. That's when I talk to people. I keep to myself. So when I was small, I can lie. I'm not sure that any small people you lie reach me. I can lie. So that you don't even know when I'm telling the truth, and you don't know when I'm lying. Because I don't want to tell you the truth. You start cursing me, or start abusing me, or start making me feel worthless. So I kukuma hide and buckle am. If I perish, I perish. They will tell you I have a strong mind. When I want to do something, I do it. But when I want to do that thing, when I say I love you, forget it. I can. Hey. But not be now again, no. I'm not sure if I go love that kind, all those stupid love where I love that year. When won't finish my life, when puts me in this condition, I cannot love that kind of love. So let's do some basic twerking. You men are just comes.
That's good. Madam, I won't pass.
Now, if you want pass, you pass. So you don't care though.
I don't care. That's what I'm saying.
I don't come live.
I don't tell you before.
Now this girl don't get moral. I I swallow mama. You people are say, you see, I'm converting people into my kingdom. The initiation into Iboto and you could your jaw. Auto. On that age, go gonna see show us something. It one naira now on account on ya. Dara, show us something. They show you going to get something when you want. And that's him show us something in life. They show you going to get something when you work. A let use more now.
My friends no show na just my brother.
My friends don't know you. Don't say you don't do live with me. Whether your face show, your face no show, it doesn't concern me.
I send anybody. Anybody pay my bill.
See, boo, wow! All this form. That's your friend sweet. That's the why I say you sweet.
Thank you. It's a way. Thank you.
Everyone I say thank
We'll see
you.
the other way around. The other way.
Rebecca, let that your Facebook name. Can go here.
Rebecca.
Get it. Chi Rebecca, bit Rebecca Chi.
Na Rebecca Chi Ozi.
Rebecca Chi Ozi. Married women, people should leave me alone. Oh, I don't have a sugar daddy. Oh, I'm even looking for. I don't have a sugar daddy. People should leave me alone, Joe. You trying to sleep my husband or thunder will fire you or devil will fire you. Stop doing that thing you are doing. So my husband will, if your husband is seduced by me touching my breast, me very short thing, then tell them that. Tell them. And to tell them, let him not go himself. And one I got me here can happen and one can't. Martins, leave me alone. Leave me alone, let me concentrate. You try and be sent, tell the baby may pass again, you no get money. What I was saying, you no get money, they watch my live video somewhere. What I was saying, you people should leave me alone. Married women, I don't have a sugar daddy. If I have a sugar daddy, I will not be here. At least he would have bought house now. I know what time. At least they pay like 2-bedroom flats. He go pay like 4 years. I said, what is it? Why are you people coming to my inbox swearing for me? Disturbing me since it's not about 4 days, I mean 3 days ago. I can't say maybe a mistake. The thing don't worse though. Because the other video I talk waiting when they do. Which blogger post this one again when married woman no one make her rest? Say una they cheat. I don't understand what I don't know what una they accuse me for. Say how they talk truth so. Nothing that way you go tell me say Pandra you do this thing. If say people what say I'm bad thing. If I do I go tell you say I do am. I do am everything what I do. I know I do am and I do am with backup saying I me do am. Una go dey look for who is ready to marry. Everybody's looking for who is ready to marry. It's not who you wants to marry. Then you now be complaining the prick is not sweet. Most married women they complain. Man tell una no not sabi fuck married men. Una wife say una side chick una dey fuck pass. Because one, you think say your wife is an innocent good girl. Not knowing that your wife is not an innocent good girl that you think she is. Because she could not show you herself. If she show you that she's a bad girl, you got a lawyer. So you want to show you bad girl now, we are not qualified. But if she show you so, you show you get the good part of her. If I give Tiamo, that's what she enjoy. If that's what it's called. Now, you not marry your friend. You not marry your friend. You not marry who loves you or who you love. I don't know how to put it. I don't even because I cannot anything what I no fit do in front of my husband, I cannot do it in real life. I don't think I can really do it. Yes, that's the type of marriage you're supposed to be in. It's not every time. Nobody. I will hear some women. I cannot tell my husband this. My I not have to know everything about what will I hide from you now? If I hide anything from you, I cannot. I don't know how to. I may say it one day, so it's better let me be sincere with you. Tell you who I am. Tell you what I am. Then, fine. Gaskiya, they tell you he will not value you. He did not marry your friend. He did not marry your husband. He's not your husband. If any man that you tell your past, as in he loves you, and you told your past, he told everything about you, just to be free. Because I cannot marry who I will not be free with now. Okay now, I say okay now, maybe I want to try and lose. All these kind of things. I'm confident, yes, I marry who I want. Or he will say, baby, see, I want to try this, and if I can't do it, say, baby, see, I will do it. Okay, so you want to enjoy this. See, me, I don't have problem. I don't have problem with marriage or anyhow you want to. It's your marriage. If you want to hide, fine. But I'm just saying, that's why I rather remain single than to marry wrong. I've married wrong. Yes, marrying wrong kept me. So I don't even want to make that mistake again. It's better me will do friends. I keep my secrets may day with me than me telling you everything about me, or you as a husband telling me everything about your past that you change, or you about your past. Because me, I don't go get past, I don't go present, so I won't change. The only about my past is that when I was small, how I wish I had someone I could confide in. When I was small, I could tell, the person would tell me, yes, you did wrong, but see the right way. I wouldn't have for one day not say the truth. I would say everything as it, because I was create blunt, but I couldn't be blunt, so I tell lies to cover up, and I'm good at it. I'm perfect. When I grew up, I said no. When I started, I said no. Since I know, if I could tell lies now, it's very hard. Very, very hard. Except say go for business, like business, where my money, where I go fetch better money. I go lie for you. After nobody's 100, I'm not 100% honest, but I'm trying to be. That I will not cheat, I will not do anything. It's not that I will cheat, but I have to hype now. All those hyping, maybe know what I'm, maybe what I'm, but you have to hype your business. So let's just forget all this. All this marriage of a thing. Marriage is overhyped, sha. It's overhyped. Nothing there inside that thing. Nothing there inside that thing. Rebel, as a rebel, are you here? Are you talking to me? Calling to me? Now, let's check out this sexy boob. Now, I just stopped, bro. They call me down now. Take me right now, take me away. Yeah, right now. Now. Why you wanna turn me away? Why not turn me to my... I need you. Now. Why you wanna try me? Don't try me. Try to disturb me. Destroy me. Don't to challenge me. Challenge me. Found to distract me. The ganja. You did the lighter. Run me a wrestler. Set me on fire. No one attract me away. I need you. Why you wanna try me? Don't try me. This destroy me, want to challenge me. Angel, you will be the lighter. Let me a wrestler. Oh, set me on fire, on fire. You can be shining. I'm not trying. Why, girl? Why you wanna try me? Why you wanna try me? Try me, yeah. How was that? How was that? How was that? How was that? How was that dance? I'm trying, right? I'm trying, I'm improving. Yay! I go use and I learn how to dance. When I go the cost me, I go the do am. I go the do am. I must learn how to dance. Anyway, let's. Nah, don't say they call me. I'm going on live. I'm coming. I have to send. How was so? Another thing I want to emphasize on is these people coming to my inbox sending me dick. I'm a human being. I'm a human being now. People should stop sending me dick now. Why will you send me dick? I'm a human being. People should pity me with this dick of a thing. I don't like exposing people. And all those men that will come inbox and tell me how they want to fuck me well. I couldn't want 1 second man on there. The words beside we say now people who are fit now go so okay. Me follow. Let's fuck and see who wins. But no. Oh no, you people know I know what's my time. A man that see Charlie with them one spoil her with gifts. Forget all this thing. A woman love a man that forget that thing. That was then. See, a man don't love a woman named Mumu. I'm a testimony. I was once a dumb poo in a relationship. Like at the day my boyfriend go buy for his ex-girlfriend something. I go see them as nothing. They are just friends. After all, their reason of breaking up will not make them not to talk to each other. Although I felt that they don't love themselves that much, I said, thank God, I can love my boyfriend, show him love. Forget okay, Benny, you know, remember, me won't be chop where they chop past anything. And they chop past anything. Do you know that? Because I say my boyfriend don't get money. See today that boy go sweat I know they chop. I go manage with them. Hey, when I contact the boy, say carry below. And this guy deny me. The person who I stay with 3 months deny my shoe, deny my sandal. Then you tell me that being good, as I don't understand. How is this thing good? No, I don't understand. As in, me, my mentality have changed though, and it can never rechange. See, I can never be used again. It's not even possible. It's not possible. I felt used, man. Sorry for calling. I don't even want to call his name. He denied me. Totally. I came to Lagos on my friend's instruction. Because me, I never wanted to have an abortion. I came to Lagos on a friend's instruction. I came. Do you know this guy kept me outside? I reached that far John, a pregnant woman. I stayed outside until his friend came back and begged for me. That his friend was a good guy. The next morning, because he was with a woman, the next morning, early as he just gave me just 5,000 naira from Lagos. It was so painful. That was the last relationship I remember I ventured into. Yeah, that was it. And although I fed mugu again, I don't that mugu like 3-4 times. They chop me. This one chopped me. No problem. No problem. I noticed that was when I hand stopped. She came. I'm not doing love again. That game is bullshit. After I don't buy, I come the one that said, what I come the find man for again? What man fit do me na. If I want born one my gear, I go look for one sweet boy like this. When we go take, do you no go know self? When I go take carry belly, no go know. You no go know my house. But there's nothing. No gain there. If you see me when I did marriage, I look like forgotten mission and forgotten ambition. So now, why would that thing that is stressful? Why would I even want to even stop venturing into that? Marriage is stressful. I don't know. Most people have stress-free marriage. Oh, don't quote me wrong. But there are people enjoying their marriage. But to me, I don't think I want to. I swear, I don't think I want to. If I would want to, I don't think it's possible. It's possible because we all in this world don't know what is love and we don't know what is marriage. So you know better make battle. Give birth if you want to have money, then enjoy your life. Let me tell you people something. Let me tell you people something that happened. Yes, something that happened though. Hey! Let me tell you people something. Something that happened though. Onyekwa. Do you know that? Do you know that? Do you people know that what I go call this boy now? My side boyfriend, because I don't get a real boyfriend, just told me that I do juju tie for my toto. Say if he fuck me, he no go one come out again. If he go the fucking girlfriend, he go they think of me. At least I don't do anything, no. I don't do anything now. But seriously, I didn't do anything my toto now. I didn't. Seriously, I didn't. Nah, I'm tired. You people don't know. I have insomnia. I can't sleep at night and it's very stressful. So I'm tired. See my eye. Who they rotate your phone address? Very tired. Couldn't sleep. I have insomnia and it's really eating me up. I would like to dance, but okay, I will dance, then I will end the live video because I want to rest.
You will be sorry.
Okay, let's dance. Immigration by this girl.
Nobody says that.
Well, we are all checked in, and I scored us tickets for tonight's luau.
What's a luau? It's a big Hawaiian dinner with hula dancers and
Fire twirlers and pork pie. So much in the back.
you're scaring me.
Come on, check out the room.
Hello? Yeah. Also, where you at? Where you at?
This is the life, neighbor.
Sure is. I can't talk
I mean, who says I'm sorry?
Actually, we decided to go a different way.
Can you come
The
there?
weird part is, that's not even my fault.
Alright.
Now here's a site they don't mention in the travel books. Now when I want to date
Tonight,
you,
do I do for
please
two?
give me your number.
System done. I swear for two.
Sorry, Max.
Baby, this stuff that sets up everything you're doing. Have it for two.
Wait, don't go. I don't even know these people. Dad.
Max, this is supposed to be a family vacation.
Because you are my baby, you deserve what I deserve.
There's waterfalls on each side of this volcano. Found the weeping volcano.
Regina.
No, here it is. Come. You take a family selfie.
Aloha, do you have anything that could distract my entire family while I go wreak havoc?
Oh, great. Thank you. A nice guy back. Said no one ever. Everybody say Thunder Fam! Thunder Fam!
Great, family! Anyway, I picked up some brochures. There are so many fun activities here. Oh, look, there's an art class at the Crafts Hut starting in 5 minutes. I can go there. Of course you do, because you're not an idiot.
I do for two.
Kite surfing? Oh, that's kind of cool.
Hi there.
Wait, we're supposed to be doing things as a family.
Yeah, well, hey, just let him go kite surfing and we'll take Chloe to the Crafts Hut.
All right, fine, but we are all going to meet up later at the luau for pork time. Family time.
Perfect. Now everyone has a fun
My baby, I deserve what I deserve.
You can't just go off by yourself.
Yeah, tell her that. If I'm stuck with our annoying family,
Hey,
Horrible words are right. You can either go with them or come with us.
but not them side though, where money no day.
Guess I'm going kite surfing.
let's go.
Wait, shouldn't we?
I'm very good, Leah. Okay, let's start with the kite surfing lesson. Who wants to go first? How about you?
How about I hit you with a coconut? I mean, Billy, how about you go?
Come in. Hey. Where do you think you're going? You need to film me kite surfing so I can show every girl on the island. Using the straps, awesome. You can grab this, hold on tight.
Time for an evil distraction.
Kite surfing is the safest extreme activity in Hawaii, as long as you're properly trained. I'm not properly trained!
Fat commando.
The good news is, it's almost the end of shark season. Aloha!
That thing is dragging him out to sea.
Dude, you gotta help him! Where'd you go?
Help!
This is bad!
You can talk to me, sister.
Them so sabi cat commando. They don't know. They don't know.
Tell me to get reach it.
Show. Them no no. It's on the low.
Just come down from the kite, okay?
Bad mother is so messy.
Don't worry, once she's done with that kind of reason.
That's messy.
The kite, not the shark.
Tell yourself no one carries the stew. Why you are?
Gently. She wanna visit the tree. Tell me gently.
I'll just hold the stew since you know one carries it. I don't know say make us.
You must soar with the hummingbird as he follows the rainbow across the hibiscus.
Just tell me.
ATV, $100
I'm
an
on the salad.
Charge to Hank Thunderman.
Me and you we go come back to my room.
Hold on, I have some water in my ear.
I want to. I want to. I want to.
Much better. Have fun, Phoebe. Figure out what's going on. Looking for a girl long-haired, blue-shirt volcanoes?
Oh, yeah.
I love you.
She wanted to hit me with a coconut. ATV, $100 an hour. Follow the tire tracks.
$100?
Ciao.
Rip off.
Ciao.
Talk to Hank Thunderman.
So your baby give me love, oh yeah. Love.
The ancient Hawaiians considered sunbox to be sacred.
Jojo.
Harming them would unleash terrible curses.
I'm about to unleash some terrible curses if I break into the nail paintings.
No, nada na, come on. Since I bought this, I have not compete. If I won't come out, I wear wig.
You were out of peanut butter and jelly, so I brought you peanut butter and jelly fish.
In the midnight thing. My place. And one of you, I love you.
The hotel will be if they see that. Now, hurry, help me clean it off for you visit.
The month I got to. Me love. Yeah. Oh. This force, I'll block you. Ma finish this life. Fine, darling. Don't they?
Wouldn't have had you could just pull over. Oh, you look really in danger right there. What's your problem, lady? Stop
Following me, Max, I will show you what danger really is.
See, that's exactly what I'm talking about. You've been acting like an evil jerk ever since you used Darkman's powers.
I'm warning you, Max.
You never gave them back.
Of course not. Why else is it supposed to take over the world?
Fireboy. You will see almost all Firebox track on my. That's the only Nigerian music I dance to. And zero. See what you can. And they practice romantic. Oh, now leave me alone.
First, I'm buried up to my head in the sand. Then I almost found kite surfing.
You're just listing things again?
Bed.
Look, give me two
Baby,
Darkman's powers.
carry on the road.
We need to find Mom and Dad right now.
Something then body.
Oh, and
Carry me, take off.
Hey, Thunderman, I know.
we can wash the rock off your level. We gotta get these people out.
All of them go come for una trouser today. Who said this is chapunu? I'm learning my people say I'm not romantic, so I want to start using you people and be practicing how to be romantic. I'm sorry if I'm getting it right. And your prick is standing. Please. Oh, they did this in the please don't insult me because your dick stand and did not come. Yeah, I'm trying to be romantic. They say I'm not romantic.
I mean, Abuja now. We got to Abuja.
Okay, I want to seduce you. If your prick stand, come in boss, tell me say your dick stand, yeah? Man, see if I dey try, I beg. I want her to be romantic. Wanna help me, yeah?
Your crazy clothes, but $20 buy yourself some lunch and have twice the TV jelly.
I dey learn how to be romantic. Wanna help me, oh. If your dick stand, come in boss, tell me. I no go tell anybody. I promise.
Okay, girls, that was a bit with her. Is it okay? You like the place? Oh, I did okay. Actually, it's my first time in the house. Somebody directed me a friend.
Louis, where's Mom and Dad?
7,000 a week, and they have 6 5 years.
Why are they washing your rock? Because of the curse.
Want to come and check up?
Hello?
Abby?
Hey guys,
I did do it.
And to get that orb to extract the evil powers.
I did do it.
Chloe, can you teleport home to him and get the orb? Oh, wait, you can't. It's hidden in the secret weapons vault.
In the fireplace.
How is it less to know about this thing? Chloe,
Oh.
go now.
Baby, don't you want to suck this nipples?
No, none of this would have happened if we just gone to Delaware.
I'm trying, sorry.
Great. Alright, you
I don't want to
two
suck
come
this
to the ATV.
nipple.
We'll follow these tire tracks. Chloe,
Ah.
go to mom and dad and the safety. Let's go.
Do this, do that. I'm trying to vacation here.
Fresh.
This entire cave, nothing in here.
Loves.
And stand here.
Then that happened.
Greetings. I am Destructo. Nothing?
Oh.
That's what I get for being a sidekick.
You're Dark Mayhem's sidekick?
Just the ones in the way of the
I was
ones.
afraid I was too powerful, so
Oh,
I
memory.
attached it, which stinks, because it had armor plates and rocket feet and molecular turbo drives, hand blasters, ooh, a bottle opener.
Hey, I was
Mm, no telephone forever.
But Dark Mayhem's
I'm
in here
doing
to finish his
with
master
something.
plan.
Really? Then you know about your secret supply.
Someone say okay.
Okay.
Oh, Vexian?
Oh, the lights.
I mean, the only element that can
I
destroy
think it's
here is
in
fire.
for normal.
Diaper cream. Yes, that Malvexium. He was going to use the volcano to spread Malvexium throughout the Earth's atmosphere.
Leaving every superhero and supervillain in the world powerless.
Except him.
Che,
Because he
Che, if I ever marry that man, go suffer, sha.
He returned the powers, allowing him to take over the world.
cannot possibly finish a sentence.
I try, Obi. I try. Yeah.
Volcano lair.
Man, I chop knuckles. I'm using people to be practicing. I'll be romantic. Happy? Like.
Okay. The rock is clean. All we have to do is put it back in its sacred spot, and the curse will be lifted. What are you doing with that? Oh, how does rock get here?
Hank, it's over. Look, sir, we're very sorry. Our daughter painted on that sacred rock, and we were trying to...
Then I'm giving him lap dance. This one I'm doing, I'm giving him lap dance. People should rate my lap dance. People should rate my lap dance.
Relax, man. That's not a sacred rock.
No?
No, that's a piece of petrified whale bottom I sit next to while I eat my lunch.
Okay, no, not doing.
I chisel cookie little faces on it while I eat. Then I usually take a dip in the hot tub, but I heard some jerk put an electric eel in it. Crazy.
Oh,
You think that's crazy? Some other guest is racking up $1,000 ATV bill.
bring back you.
I hate to be that guy.
Do, 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 do.
Shouldn't have cut your
Do,
mouth.
do, do, do,
You
do.
need my help to defeat Dark Mayhem's evil.
It's my evil now. And it's stronger than yours.
Oh my God. Give it up, people. Evil days are over. The orb.
Let's put that down.
This is for your own good.
Okay, guys. I gotta leave you guys now. I gotta leave you guys. Tomorrow we'll be practicing our next Friday we'll be practicing our seduction number 2. I learned this one. I'm going to practice again. Maybe that one I feel good naked. I go make sure say I learn perfect seduction. So before I go stand, my man don't come like 2 times. Then before we go start to have sex, because I go seduce you to the point of you cannot hold it again, baby. Baby, you'll be asking for more. Baby, please, you'll be begging me. I'll be seducing you. Nechigam, nechikike. If you want to, if I'm okay, she got in a gin again. Pum, repo pam, pota. How to make shift too. I'm just in a bed, don't whine, shake it, then I spank it, pam pam pam. You know me yakatam. You know say soft like a gay brain. Oh, them is yakatam. Hi God, that man brain. Baby, I said no worry. Baby, I will give you. Even no be toto. I got raw to now. Wait. So I'm learning. Perfect things. Bad things. My boyfriend will be teaching me bad things and I'll be learning bad things. I will teach you people bad things, yeah? If I learn, I will teach you people. If I learn, I will teach you people. I know a lot of bad things, so you see bed, I know a lot of bad things I will do. See, no worry, next video I go tell you this thing if I remember. If I don't remember, I will forget it. It's very, very funny. Because of the kind of blue film I watch. If I tell you, people laugh. But I will not tell you people now, yeah? Next week. Bye! I love you. For my enemies.